Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? Ancient people did too. They gazed at the stars and noticed patterns. These patterns are called constellations. People began to tell stories about the constellations. They imagined them as animals, heroes, and gods. Ancient civilizations believed the stars held power. They thought the stars influenced life on Earth. This belief led to the development of astrology. Astrology is the study of the movements and positions of celestial objects. Astrologers try to understand how these movements affect people and events. Many ancient cultures developed astrology. The Babylonians were one of the first. They created detailed star catalogues and made predictions based on the stars. The Egyptians also used astrology. They developed a calendar based on the star Sirius. They used this calendar to predict the flooding of the Nile River. The Greeks learned about astrology from the Babylonians and Egyptians. They developed their own ideas about the zodiac. The zodiac is a belt of 12 constellations that the sun appears to move through during the year. They believed that a person's zodiac sign could influence their personality and destiny. Many important figures shaped the history of astrology. One of the most famous was Ptolemy, a Greek astronomer and astrologer who lived in the 2nd century AD. He wrote a book called It became one of the most influential astrology books in history. Ptolemy's work helped to standardize the practice of astrology. He developed complex mathematical models to calculate the positions of the stars and planets. His work was widely accepted for centuries. It influenced the development of astrology in Europe and the Middle East. Over time, science advanced. People began to understand the universe differently. We learned that the Earth revolves around the sun. We discovered new planets and galaxies. This scientific understanding led to the separation of astronomy and astrology. Astronomy became the scientific study of the universe. Astrology continued as a system of beliefs about the influence of celestial objects on human affairs. Even though astrology is no longer considered a science, it still holds a fascination for many people today. Many people read their horoscopes for fun. Some believe that astrology can provide insights into their lives. While its scientific basis is debated, astrology remains a part of human history. It reflects our enduring fascination with the cosmos.